Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show one more Christmas craft using kulhad or small matki. Here I have this very small matki. Now using molded clay I will give it a beautiful look. So let's start. Now after mixing the clay, I did flat the clay and space it on kulhad. Then using a sharp tool, I did cut the excess clay. Keep watching how I am doing this. Here I am taking small portion of clay and making ear. Keep watching. So it's done. For color, here I am using white acrylic color. After the white color is totally dry, I put purple color as you can see in the video. For ear detail, I did use orange in the middle of the ear. On face, I am applying skin color. For nose, I am using red. Then lastly, after making the eyes with black color, it's done. Hope you like this. You can use it as planter or as home decorator. Here you can see the Santa planter. This video is already available on my channel. If you want, you can watch it. If you like this easy and beautiful Christmas craft, then do like and share, and to see more amazing videos like this, do subscribe my channel. Do check out my other videos too. Hope you will enjoy it. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.